Let's pray to God that the elves and fairies of the woods protect us, said Mukul. Now Mukul said that now we should pray to God so that the elves and fairies of the woods protect us. The boys soon dozed off, means slept. Both the boys slept. Late in the night, they were awakened while loud noises of metals clashing and banging mixed with people's voices. You know, at the late in the night, they were awakened. They wake up while loud noises of metals means धातुएं tools, okay, clashing and banging, and the voice of peoples they can hear also. Mukul, we are saved. Who said? Tony said that Mukul, we are saved. It must be mom and dad with the police. Let's get down. Tony said that Mukul, we are saved. It must be mom and dad with the police. Now let's get down. As they approached the source of the sound, they found it was not their parents, but men carrying lanterns, axes, saws, and a bag of other tools. They were arguing about which trees they should cut. Do you think that the voices that was coming was the voices of mom and dad with the police? No, these are the voices of some unknown peoples. They were carrying lanterns, axes, saws, and bags of other tools, and they are discussing that which which trees they should cut. Tony and Mukul were shocked to see this. They both were shocked. They knew how dangerous it was to cut trees. They remembered what they had learned about deforestation and climate change from their books. Mukul, we can't allow this. We must stop them, Tony said. Tony and Mukul were shocked to see this, and they knew that how dangerous it was to cut trees. Children, it was very dangerous to cut trees because trees help us in many ways. They put the soil together in the floods, and trees also give us fresh air, oxygen, cool air, shade, and wood, furniture, rubber, etc. So, trees are very important for us, for our earth. And Mukul and Tony knew this. They remembered, Mukul and Tony remembered that what they had learned about deforestation means cutting off trees and climate change from their books. Mukul, we can't allow this. Who said? Tony said. Wait, they look so dangerous. Mukul said that the people look so dangerous. Let's see what they are up to, said Mukul. The boys hid behind a bush and observed the men. Now they huddled together to discuss something. The boys, Mukul and Tony, hid behind a bush and observed what the men are doing. The plural of men is men. Men. Now they had huddled together. I hope you have seen in the cricket match when the team discussed together. This is called huddled, to discuss something. Mukul said in a hushed voice, Hey Tony, see they have kept their tools beside that bush. Let's hide them away. Mukul said in a hushed voice, means whispering. Hey Tony, see, they have kept their tools beside the bush. Let's hide them away. Yes, that's a wonderful idea, whispered Mukul. After the discussion, the men came back to get their tools, but there was none. Oh, where is my axe? Shouted one. Because Mukul and Tony hid their tools. So when the man came back, he got nothing on that place, and he said that where is my axe? He shouted. Who took the saw from here? Asked another. He asked another man. Ghost, said a third one in a shivering voice, and a third A third man said that it may be ghost. Set up, you fools, and search for the axes, shouted their leader. Then their leader shouted that set up, you fools. Search for the tools. They found no trace of their tools and decided to come back the next day. Mukul and Tony. Mukul and Tony found their way home the next morning. They told their parents about the events of the previous night. Now Mukul and Tony at their home on the next morning, and they told the whole story what happened that night, means previous night. The people of Kantar were alarmed. Now they are aware and outraged to hear about the wicked smugglers. Those people were smugglers because they are cutting trees, and this is a illegal work. It became clear to them why there had been a disastrous landslide in the valley the previous year. Now it is clear that in the previous year why the landslide incident. The man came back to the woods with new tools that night. But before they could begin their job, people of the town surrounded them. The next night, the people came with the new tools, but before they could begin their job, people of the town surrounded them. You cannot cut these trees. They belong to all the people of the valley. Who are you to say that? Who said? The leader of the smugglers said, we earn our livelihood by selling wood, said one of the men. Who are you to say that? We earn means the smugglers. One of the smugglers said that we earn our livelihood by selling woods. Mr. Narayan, a well-known journalist of a Kantar. You know, journalist, the person who writes about incidents in newspaper. Okay. So, Mr. Narayan was a well-known journalist of Kantar, and he said, do you know that what will happen if you cut down trees? These trees keep our air clean, bring rain, and keep our hillside beautiful. They also protect the wild animals by giving them a safe place to live. Mr. Narayan said that these trees keep our air clean, these trees bring rain and keep our hillside beautiful. They also protect the wild animals by giving them a safe place, means shelter, to live. I am sure you haven't forgotten last year's deadly landslide, which killed many of your relatives in the valley. He, Mr. Narayan said that I am sure you haven't forgotten last year's deadly landslide, which killed many of your relatives in the valley. The landslip happened because there weren't enough trees on the hilltop to keep the soil together. It is easy to cut a tree, but have you ever thought how many years it takes for a tree to grow? Mr. Narayan was speaking, and he is telling them the importance of trees, and he made those people also came to know that what happened in the last year, and many of your relatives may be killed in the valley of the disasters of the last year. The landslip happened because there weren't enough trees on the hilltop to keep the soil together. And it was easy, he said that it was easy to cut trees. Yeah, it's right that it is easy to cut a tree. But have you ever thought that how many years it takes for a long tree to grow? Have you ever thought? Not thought, beta. Think about it that what now you can do a thing that plant a tree and it will grow. When it will grow, you can see that how many years it takes for a tree to grow. So plant a tree, okay? The men now realized their mistake. They hung their heads in shame. The next evening, when Mukul and Tony ran into the woods to play, they were taken aback by what they saw. The same men were there again, but this time they were planting little saplings to grow more trees. But there came a big change. What is the big change? The next evening, when Mukul and Tony ran into the woods to play, they were taken aback by what they saw. They saw that the same man, those who were cutting the trees, now they were not cutting the trees again, but this time they were planting little young plant or tree to grow more trees. I hope, students, that you have understood the importance of trees, and if somebody is cutting down any trees in front of you, you should tell them that don't cut the trees, and if he cutting the trees it is very necessary, then plant at least in place of one tree you should plant 10 trees, okay? And I have told you that to look that how many years it takes to grow a tree, then you have to plant a tree, okay? Now you can see that how many years it would take. So the message is you will tell me what is the message of this lesson. According to me, that plant more and more trees, save trees, okay? Now you tell me what is the message of this chapter according to you. Thank you.